Did you know Earth breathes fury? Yes, every 10 minutes. A volcano erupts somewhere on this planet. But why? What forces these fiery mountains to become ticking time bombs? The answer isn't just science. It's an epic battle between hidden forces beneath our feet. A story we'll tell you today. So brace yourself for a journey into Earth's belly, where it all begins. Before we dive, did you know 90% of volcano victims die because they ignored one simple sign? By the end of this video, I'll reveal this life-saving clue that could protect you or your loved ones. But first, let's rewind time to the moment the first volcano was born. Earth was an angry toddler, smothered in lava, writhing in birth pangs. But deep within, a grand secret brewed: radioactive decay, where elements in the core disintegrate, releasing heat fierce enough to melt rock. Here, the first magma was born, the devilish fluid that would shape humanity's fate. Imagine Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is a tectonic plate, and when these plates collide, an epic battle begins. One is shoved downward into hell, melting into magma, then rising like a fiery phoenix carrying toxic gases and sulfur enough to pierce the sky. Inside every volcano lies what we call the Devil's Kitchen. Here, molten rock mingles with gases like carbon dioxide, the silent killer, or sulfur dioxide, the nerve poison, or water vapor, the ticking bomb. And when pressure hits 200 megapascals, the cauldron explodes. But how? It's like shaking a Coke can, then heating it with fire. Watch this. When I shake the can, CO2 bubbles form. When I open it, liquid explodes. This is exactly what happens in a volcano. But with one difference. Here, the pressure equals 1,000,000 soda cans. And here, the soda turns into lava at 1,200 degrees Celsius. Not all volcanoes are alike. There's gentle eruptions like Hawaii's. Lava flows like melted chocolate, beautiful but devouring everything. And explosive eruptions like Vesuvius. Here, magma turns into volcanic glass sharp as knives, mixed with ash that blots out the sun. Volcanoes don't erupt suddenly. They send 5 secret signals, like tiny consecutive earthquakes, like earth sneezing, and bulging volcano sides, like a filling balloon, and surges in sulfur gas emissions, and shifts in groundwater temperature, and animals fleeing instinctively. Yes, they're smarter than us sometimes. What if all volcanoes suddenly stopped? This isn't fiction. Volcanoes are Earth's lungs. They emit 80% of atmospheric gases. Without them, oxygen vanishes in 10,000 years, and temperatures plummet to -50 degrees Celsius, and life as we know it goes extinct. So, despite their brutality, volcanoes are hidden heroes of our survival. Now, time to answer the critical question: which side of a volcano is safest? The answer? South, because winds usually blow ash northward. But, do you know why? Drop your theories in the comments and I'll reveal the science to the brightest minds. In 1991, Mount Pinatubo erupted with the force of 20 Hiroshima bombs. Yet one man survived by hiding in a fridge. But how? Volcanoes don't play fair. Meet the 3 rules of volcanic survival. Run uphill because lava flows downhill. And cover your mouth with wet cloth to filter ash. And never go into valleys. There are deadly volcanic flows there. But even these rules won't save you from volcanic lightning. Volcanoes aren't just fire and death. Sometimes they're pure madness, like blue lava in Indonesia caused by burning sulfur. And underwater volcanoes that birth new islands overnight. And ice volcanoes erupting slush instead of lava. On Pluto, but the craziest, volcanic tornadoes, 300-mile-per-hour winds mixed with fire. Scientists call this the devil's spin cycle. Let's roast Hollywood's volcano lies. Lava doesn't chase cars, it flows at 3 miles per hour, you can outwalk it. And ash clouds don't explode planes, but they do sandblast engines. No, you can't surf lava, it's 10 times thicker than cement. But here's what movies got right. Pyroclastic flows can vaporize you in 2 seconds. So maybe don't mock Mother Nature. Earth's volcanoes are cute compared to Olympus Mons on Mars, a mountain so tall it pierces space. Or Jupiter's moon Io, where volcanoes shoot lava 300 miles high. But the freakiest? Cryovolcanoes. These icy monsters spew water, ammonia, and methane instead of lava. Could alien life swim in those plumes? Scientists say, maybe. In the 1960s, the CIA proposed Project Storm Fury, using nukes to trigger volcanic eruptions as weapons. But here's why it failed. Firstly, volcanoes are too unpredictable, like taming Godzilla. Secondly, eruptions can backfire. Literally. Yet today, some say HARP technology could manipulate magma chambers. Is this sci-fi or a classified reality? You decide. Scientists are now fighting fire with fire, like lava-freezing robots that spray water at 10,000 gallons per minute. And magma defibrillators, giant drills to release pressure safely. But the wildest idea? Artificial eruptions to prevent megablasts. Will humans ever tame volcanoes? Or are we just playing with fire? Volcanoes are Earth's heartbeat, and we're just ants on its chest. Smash subscribe. Tomorrow's video reveals why Yellowstone's eruption could make TikTok go offline forever.